Hello, everyone. This is our video blog for February, and it's already feeling quite spring-like here at Unity. We feel that things are beginning to grow and change. We've left Christmas behind us. And of course, the next thing we have coming up is Lent, which begins in a couple of weeks from this time of recording. And we have, of course, as always, our Lent booklet, which helps people through, thank you, Kimberly, day by day through Lent. And Kimberly can, in fact, tell us much more about the program of activities that take us through Lent with that booklet.
It's one of the most powerful times of year, the Lent season for sure. And it's always in the Christian society, Christian calendar, it's always about letting go of something, but we don't talk about letting go and by stop eating chocolate or stopping alcohol or whatever like that. It's letting go of the pressure that we put on ourselves to be good, to be right, to succeed, and the pressure we put on the world to be good, to be right, and to be the way we want it to be. So it's really an internal job. Unity is all about that internal shift. And so our booklet, Let Go, Let God, as I flashed up just now, is all about spending 40 days doing that. Is letting go of blame, letting go of judgment, of condemnation, letting go of all those things, being right, letting go of being right. How we love to be right, despite whatever pain that brings. It's letting go of all of that and really making space in us to receive the gift of God's good, to receive that gift of grace, that pure potential, that love and wisdom that is always within us. So we have the Lent booklet that we start, as you say, is Ash Wednesday, is the 14th of February. And from that day on, we'll be including the Lent readings in our morning daily word, but also every evening using the booklet to really focus in on letting go of whatever it is that we're letting go that day. And my desire is that all of us, me included, really feel that experience. I can let go of being right. I can let go of condemnation and blame. You know, I can do that when I give myself space. And part of all of that is giving ourselves this gift to be still, to receive. So Maggy Whitehouse, who is a dear friend and also a minister, not in Unity, but a minister ordained, is doing a workshop on the Saturday, the 17th. It's the first Saturday in Lent, deliberately chosen. Hers is all about receiving the divine, receiving the grace, releasing the blocks that are in the way. She's got some fabulous meditations and exercises for us to share. I was just talking to her, and it's really exciting what she's going to offer for us. So all of that is really setting the scene for this new year, this new energy that you were talking about, Steve, this sense of newness. There is a lot going on, but I also feel myself a sense of newness, of change, of a shift. And that's an internal experience. But when we live that through that energy, the world around us changes. So that's the invitation, really.
And of course, each day we live now, the light gets a little bit longer. I always think that as soon as we get past the 21st of December, I'm always thinking, well, there's a little bit more light each day. And that's what we can think about really now, that little bit of light coming into our lives day by day. And of course, the Lent booklet helping us through, and people like Maggie helping us to turn to the light. Let's all kind of turn to the light, literally and metaphorically as well. Anyway, that's enough of us, I think.
Thank you,
for another month. Yes. So we will see you in a few weeks' time when spring, I think, would have sprung.
Yes, well, the birds are singing, certainly singing their little heads off.
They are. Yeah, and the daffodils will be opening and
yeah,
all of that.
Good things. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
all right.
you.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.